Hi dear students, good morning. Welcome to our school YouTube channel. This is yours Alan Sai Krishna. In the previous class, so many of the concepts of force chapter we already discussed. In this class, the remaining concepts of the force also we have to continue. Okay, what is meant by force? In the first class we already discussed. What is its definition? Push or pull, that we have to consider as a force. Just we got the examples of our everyday life of the force. If you push any object, if you pull any object, that we have to consider as a force only. Okay, we know the examples. How we are applying the force on any object? By the transferring of the energy from our body. Without transferring of the energy from our body, we can't apply the force on the any object. What is the units of the force? Newtons, otherwise dynes. Yes, Newton, otherwise dynes. These are the units of the force. And we got the some clarification. Pushing objects, otherwise pulling objects, otherwise both push or pull. This we are considering as a force only. How many types the force, different kinds of the types? Majorly, we classified into the two categories in the last class. What is mean? Force mean push or pull. Okay, the force is dividing into the how many categories? Two categories. What is that? First one, contact force. Contact force. Second one is field force. Yes, not only this field force, we have to consider as a non-contact force also. Yes, first one contact force, again one field force. We already discussed what is meant by contact force, what is meant by non-contact force, what is the difference in between. On that I told you, just you have to catch that toothpaste and apply the force. Two objects also contact to each other at the time you are applying force. When the two objects are contact to each other at the time your applied force is nothing but contact force. Suppose two objects are not in contact, they are far away from each other, but the force will be working between of the two objects. That kind of the force is known as a field force. Okay, contact force again classifying into the different categories. First one, muscular force. Which force? Muscular force. Second one is frictional force. Which force? Frictional force. Third one is what? Normal force. Fourth one is what? Tensional force. Muscular force, frictional force, normal force and tensional force. Okay, yes, again field force dividing into the three categories. Magnetical force. Which force? Magnetical force. Second one, electrostatic force. Third one is gravitational force. Third one is what? Gravitational force. These are the types of the forces. Yes, contact forces are dividing into the four: muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tensional force. Again here non-contact force, magnetical force, electrostatical force, gravitational force. Each dividing into the three categories, each dividing into the four categories. In the last class we already discussed about these two forces, muscular forces and example frictional forces, about its concept also. Now we have to discuss the normal force only. Suppose this is my hand, just I am keeping the marker. Yes, is there any chance to fall down? No, there is no chance to fall down. Why it is not fall down? Why there is no chances to fall it down? Sir, it is in your hand, sir. That's why it will not fall. Yes, it's good. Yes, now you are sitting in front of the table. some of the notebooks are there on the table. Will it fall? No. Sir, why these notebooks are not falling down? Because of the bench is giving the support, sir. As usual, your hand is giving the support, sir. Suppose just you have to imagine there is no my hand. There is no bench. At the time, what will happen? This marker will be fall down. Your books also will be fall down. That's mean there is no support. That's mean some kind of the forces are already working. Suppose this is in a table. On the table, so many of the books are there, otherwise one marker are there, like this only there. Suppose if it will be disappear, means all the objects will be fall down only. Why they will be fall down? Simply why they are not staying like that only in the air. That means some kind of the forces are working in the downward direction. That is nothing but what? Gravitational forces are working as a downward direction. Which forces are working? Gravitational forces are working in the downward direction. That's why these books will be fall down only. But when you keep on the bench, when you keep on my hand, there is no chance to fall down, because of my hand and here the bench is giving the support to these books. Giving the support to these books. That's mean which kind of the forces are working against the gravitational force. Some of the other forces are working as against to the gravitational force. Is gravitational force working in the downward direction? As here the normal forces are working in the upward direction against to the gravitational force. Against to the gravitational force, here the normal forces are working. Simply we have to conclude that the forces which are working against to the gravitational force in the upward direction. In which direction? In the upward direction, in the normal direction. That kind of the forces we have to consider as a normal force. Simply one monkey sat on the branch of trees. Yes, on the branch of tree. Suppose this is in a tree, on the branch the monkey was sick on the branch of tree. Why the monkey is not falling down? Mean gravitational forces are working, but against to these gravitational forces in the normal direction, some forces are working. That kind of the forces we have to consider as a what? Normal forces. After reopen the school, if you come to the school, you will be sit on the benches, but 4 members sitting also, you will not fall it down. Why you will not fall it down? The bench is giving support to you. How the bench is giving support to you? Mean the bench applying the normal force on your body. Which forces are applying? Normal forces are applying on your body. Simply wherever you go, some of the objects are giving the support against to the gravitational force in the normal direction. Mean that kind of the forces we have to consider as a what? Normal forces only. Any example, whatever it may be. Suppose on this table A block is there and B block is there. Wooden blocks are there. There is no chance to fall it down. Mean it's applying the which forces? Normal forces are applying against to this bench only. Against to this bench only. These which forces are working here? Normal forces are working. This is in a third type of the contact force. Next one, tensional force. Okay, on any object there is a chance to work the which forces? Gravitational forces will be working. Suppose if I hang like this, as simple example, you have to take the fan which is there in your house. Yes, it will be hanging to your floor only, like this only it will be hanging. Okay, the fan is hanging in the floor of your room. Why it is not falling at you down? Why it is not falling? Is there working any gravitational force on this one? Yes, on this fan also there is a working of the some of the gravitational forces. Why the working of the gravitational forces also, why it is not falling down? Sir, we hang as a tightly with a thread as with the other instruments, sir. There is no chance to break that instrument, sir. Yes, it is a correct answer. You are hanging with some other kind of the materials, mean thread or wire, whatever it may be. Due to this only, there is no chance to fall it down. There is no chance to fall it down. That's mean here also some kind of the forces are working against the gravitational force. That kind of the forces we have to know as a tensional force. Which forces? Tensional force. Any hanging objects you have to consider in our everyday life. On these hanging objects there is a working of the gravitational force in the downward direction. But due to the support of the hanging, the objects will not fall down. The support of the hanging of that material with which forces? Tensional forces. As in your house on the fan against to the gravitational force, which forces are working? Tensional forces are working. In the last concept, the monkey was sat on the branch, but in this concept the monkey is hanging. As the monkey is hanging, simply catching with the hand, the branch is catching with the hand and moving front to back moving. Monkey is moving at the front to back. That's mean by this hand. As by the supporting of this hand, the monkey, there is no chance to fall down only. Which forces are working there? Tensional forces are working. You people also know the lot of experience as you also behaving like the monkeys at every day. As when you play nearby the tree, simply you will be catch the branch of the tree and moving front to back. That's mean your hands also applying some kind of the forces against to the gravitational force. That forces we have to know as a tensional force. Suppose just you have to leave your hand, you will be fall down. That's mean there is no working of the tensional force at that situation. Due to that only you will be fallen down only. Yes, this is the examples for the tensional force in our everyday life. Yes, these are the four concepts, four different types of the contact force. Again, field force. The force will be working in between of any two objects without contacting between. There is no contact. This is an A object, this is a B object. In between the some kind of the forces will be working, but without contacting, some forces are working. That kind of the forces we have to know as a which one? Field force, otherwise non-contact force. No contact in between, simply working the forces. Suppose A object is there, B object is there. There is no contact in between of these two. Some kind of the forces are working. That forces we have to know as a which forces? Field force, otherwise non-contact force. And this field force and non-contact forces again classified into the how many categories? Again classified into the three categories. First one only the magnetical force, second one only the electrostatic force, third one only the gravitational force only. Which force? Gravitational force, the magnetical force. You are know very well experienced age of your childhood. You played with the two different kinds of the magnets. You have to keep here one magnet, here one magnet. What will be happening? Some kind of the forces will be working. Just you have to try to move very near. When you bringing near, some kind of the forces are working. Suppose two bar magnets you have to take. As after reopening the school, we have to make our own magnets in the different ways by the practically. Up to that, you have to take the two bar magnets. Okay, two bar magnets which have the north pole and south pole. Is one magnet of south pole, one magnet of north pole. Opposite poles we have to bring together. At the time, what will be happen when we are bringing together? Mean maintaining some distance only. Automatically they will be attracting. Automatically they will attracting because of these are the opposite poles, south and north. Otherwise north and south. in between attraction forces will be work. As in between of the opposite poles, north south north, which kind of the forces will be working? Attraction forces will be working in between of the opposite poles of the magnet. Maintaining the minimum distance only, there will be appear some kind of the force. We can feel as directly. We can't see with our naked eye, but we can feel. When you keep the two magnets, we can feel the experience. Some kind of the forces are working in between of the two magnets. When you keep the opposite poles are near, otherwise same poles, south to south, north to north. In between, repulsion forces will be working. Which forces will be working? Repulsion forces will be working in between of the two bar magnets. In between of the two bar magnets, south to south pole, north to north pole, same poles in between that. Which forces will be working? Repulsion forces will be working in between of these two poles. Here the attraction forces. You have to try to bring, this is in a south pole of the magnet, this is in a south pole of the magnet. Try to bring very near, very near. Is there any chance to come very near? Is there any chance? There is no chance to come very near. It will be move away like this only. Again you have to try to keep very near, very near. There is no chance to come because of in between of the same poles of the magnet. There is a working of the which force? Repulsion forces will be working. Suppose just you have to turn this one opposite poles. It will be easily coming and attracting towards of any side only. That's mean while we play with the two different kinds of the magnets, we can get an experience. We can't see, but we can get an experience of the forces are working in between of the two different kinds of the poles. They are maintaining some distance and working some kind of the force that we have to consider as a field force. The force which is working in between of the magnet, that we have to know as the magnetical force. Which force? Magnetical force. Next one, electrostatic force. These experience also very well we know. As in our childhood we played in the lot of things. Suppose just you have to take that one balloon. As you have to fill that balloon with air and tie with a thread. Keep a side, and you have to rub this balloon with any one of the cloth. Is how we are rubbing? By the using of the any one of the cloth we are rubbing. Why we are rubbing? To get the charge. While we rubbing the balloon will be get the some kind of the charges only. Up to that the balloon don't have the any charges. But while we rubbing on the balloon with the different kind of the cloth, it will become as a charged. Okay, the balloon become as a charged. It's clear. Now you have to take the some kind of the piece of papers. What we have to take? Some kind of the piece of papers we have to take. Okay, nearby this we have to keep the piece of papers. What will be happen? This piece of papers are attracting towards of the balloon. How the piece of papers are attracting towards of this balloon mean? In between of the charged balloon and the normal piece of paper, some kind of the forces are working. How the balloon getting the charge? By the rubbing. As in between of the charged balloon and other particles of the paper, the working forces we have to consider as a what? Electrostatic forces. Which forces we have to consider? Electrostatic forces are working. Wherever you go, the electrostatic forces are generating by the rubbing. That means we are giving the charges as manually. As we are giving the charges as a manually. These kind of the forces we have to know as a what? Electrostatic force. Not only in that way, just while we combing our dry hairs, just you have to try at your house. As you take the one of the comb and you would comb on your hairs when you have the dry hairs, not a wet hairs. When your dry hairs, at the time you have to try to comb for the few seconds. After the few seconds, you have to keep the piece of papers nearby the comb only. At the time, what will be happen? The piece of papers are attracting towards of the comb only. How the piece of papers are attracting towards of the comb beam while you comb on your head. As at the time it was become as a charged. It was become as a charged, as due to the become as a charge, it is gain some kind of energy. Due to this charge, it is attracting the piece of paper towards of this comb. That's mean the force which is working in between the piece of papers and comb. That kind of the forces we have to know as a what? Electrostatic forces only. What kind of the forces? Electrostatic forces only. Yes, this is the concept. Last type of field force is gravitational force. Just as the apple is falling down due to the gravitational force. As that Newton told everyone also that no. What is my question? As in between of me and you, is there any gravitational force? In between of this whiteboard and you, is there any gravitational force? As you and your friend are beside of each other, is there any force in between of you people? As in your house there is a television is there and you are here. Is there any gravitational force in between of the two? Sir, how you are asking like that? Don't know, sir. Yes, that means we have to remember any massive objects, if they have the mass, in between the gravitational forces will be work. Any two massive objects in between the gravitational forces will be work, but we can't feel. Why we can't feel? Because of the masses of the objects are very, very, very low. Yes, masses of the objects are very, very, very low. Suppose you have to throw the one of your friend from the building. Don't be do. Just think it. Yes, at the time, will it stay in the air simply like that? There is no chance to stay in the air. He will be fall down only. Why he is falling down? There is a working the gravitational force in between the ground, that's mean earth and your friend only. Like that only in between of you two friends, in between of you and me, in between of the whiteboard and me, whiteboard and you, there is working the gravitational force. But we can't expect, we can't feel that one. Just you have to remember one condition. Two massive objects, these two objects also they have the mass. In between the gravitational forces will be working, but that masses are very, very, very low. Due to that only we can't feel, we can't expect that the forces are working in between. Simply, so many of the examples we know. If you throw any stone, it will be come back. If you throw any fruit, it will be come back. Something will be broken on the tree, that branches also fall down. Due to that what? That branches, that fruits, that ball, that stone and earth, these all are the massive objects in between the which forces are working. Gravitational forces are working without contact. Apple will be fall down when the tensional forces are less than gravitational force. Suppose this is in a tree, as this is in a branch, here the one apple is there, as there is no chance to fall down because of against the gravitational force, tensional forces are working, tensional forces are more than gravitational force. Due to that only there is no chance to fall. Suppose it was broken, yes, it was break, at the time this fruit will be fall down because of the gravitational forces are more than tensional force. In the examination maybe I can give this diagram only. Here which kind of the forces are working? Here which kind of the forces are working? Downward direction which kind of the forces working? Gravitational forces working. Here in between here which kind of the forces are working? Tensional forces are working. As this is an example for the gravitational force of everyday life. Not only what I told the example, you have to write any example. You have to apply the concept to our everyday life. You will be get more examples. As today in the class, we discussed about the normal force, we discussed about the tensional force, and we discussed about the types of field force, magnetical force, electrostatical force and the gravitational force. In the next class, the remaining concepts of the fourth chapter we have to discuss. Up to that, you have to listen as a clearly and note down the points in your running notes. If you have any doubt, you have to message me in our school group. When I am free at the time, I will give the reply for your doubts only. Okay, thank you, bye.